Hey y'all, it's your girl Brittany and welcome back. Today I am coming to you with another wig review. Yes. And today's video is all about a headband wig that I recently received from My Shiny Wigs. Now I have been seeing this company all over Instagram. When I say all over, all over. And I was really excited when they reached out to me to review a wig, not sponsored, don't get it twisted, but they reached out to me to review one of their headband wigs and give my honest thoughts and opinions on this wig. So if y'all want to hear my thoughts on this headband wig, stay tuned. All right, y'all. So like I said in the intro, this is all about a new headband wig that I received from My Shiny Wigs. And this wig is actually a 20-inch kinky straight wig that I'll be talking about today. But first, before I show you the wig itself, let's hop into all the extras that came in the package. So first of all, they send like this travel wig bag is what I'm assuming it is. It is kind of like a garment bag. It has a little hanger, foldable hanger in it, but it's to hold your wig when you travel, sis. They want you to be prepared, okay? So I thought that was cool. That was neat. It's different from all the other gifts and things that you receive in the other packages that you receive from other hair companies. Usually it's, you know, a couple hair tools and then like some eyelashes or something like that. So I thought that was cool. Now there's also this mesh bag with more of the traditional things that you would look for when you purchase a wig. They gave me 4 wig caps, 2 in a dark and 2 in kind of a medium color. And kudos to My Shiny Wigs for actually sending multiple colors of wig caps because, baby, we all not nude, okay? So they actually sent a deep one, which is perfect for me. And also what they have in here is a metal rat tail comb, which is perfect because I've been needing one. A edge brush, which comes pretty much with every single wig that I've gotten. But they also give you tweezers, again, typical, but they give you a brush that is supposed to help conceal, you know, those parts in your wig and those edges, make it look like it's melted. They really equip you with pretty much everything you would need to lay a wig and slay a wig all in one and travel with your wig. Don't get it twisted. They want the wig to go with you safely. Now, it also came with 3 headbands. It is a headband wig, so gotta send some headbands, right? This is one of the headbands and I thought it was super cute, super summery, tropical. And then they sent 2 other ones, which is a similar style, just different color patterns. And they're pretty stretchy. This blue one is probably the stretchiest out of all of them. So this one is definitely big head friendly. The other 2, maybe the one I have on right now and this one, they're a little less stretchy. They stretch, don't get me wrong, but they probably would be more prone to give us big head girls and boys headaches after a while. Maybe once you wear them a few times, it probably will stretch out. But now let's hop into this wig. All right, y'all. So this is the 20-inch kinky straight wig. Y'all, this hair is full. And again, we're talking full all the way down. All the way down full. It is very true to the kinky straight texture. Y'all know I'm gonna have to do a little straightening of this to make it look like my hair. It always comes in this like crinkly style. Please stop leaving it in this crinkly style because natural hair is not crinkly. It's not. But when you straighten it, it gives the natural hair look because it's not bone straight, if that makes sense. So A++ on density. Look at this. And the hair itself, I see a little bit of grays in it, I'm not gonna lie, There's some visible gray hair in it. Nothing too crazy though that would put me off to the brand. I don't know if you can see that. So all in all, I feel like the hair is really good quality. It's super thick. It's thick all the way down to the bottom. It doesn't get thin and they don't jip you out of hair once you get to the bottom of the wig. In terms of cap construction, this is the way that I usually like to see them sewn on, with the actual wig cap kind of covered so you don't have a weird lip on it, so it lays pretty flat. Typical elastic band for the headband. I do like, this is actually something different that I haven't seen on other headband wigs, and I've reviewed quite a few, but this Velcro section of the wig is the longest that I've seen. So that means that this wig is probably really accommodating to very small heads and also very large heads, which is what I'm hoping for because I am on the large side of the spectrum. Other than that, standard construction, you have the 3 combs, 1 at the crown, 2 on the 2 temples, and 1 at the nape, so 4 total. In terms of smell, there's no smell. There's not even a fake hair smell to this wig. It doesn't smell bad at all, no bad smell whatsoever. So I'm excited to go ahead and start to style this wig, show you guys what it looks like when it's all done, and then share my final thoughts. So let's hop right into that process. So I just wanted to throw a little bit of movement in this hair for the video's sake. Baby, this hair is bomb. This is hands down the best kinky straight hair I have ever received in terms of looking natural while still having a lot of body, a lot of movement. The hair is phenomenal. No tangling, no shedding. It's true to length. It's very long and it's full all the way down. Baby, shine, movement, natural hair, thickness, on point. Would I recommend this wig? Absolutely. This wig is bomb. If you have not tried wigs from My Shiny Wigs, you need to check them out. Like this, did y'all see that? I am pleasantly surprised. You know, you see a lot of these companies on Instagram especially, and they're overhyped and the product is not as good, and I was expecting that same type of experience from this company, but that was not the case whatsoever, let me tell you. And the person that I was working with in their customer service business area was phenomenal. They made sure that I got the package, the tracking information. They checked in to see if it came, and you know, just quality communication from a company, not pushy in any way. Didn't ask me to give them a 5-star review or an amazing review in exchange for hair. It was just, we want your honest review. We love your work and we want you to try out one of our wigs. Would you be open to it? Point blank, period. That's it. Those are the companies that I want to work with. Ones that want real reviews, real opinions from people like me who wear these on a daily basis. The only qualm that I have about this wig is the cap size. If you are big head friendly like me, your head may struggle a little bit getting into this wig. Now, it's not the actual band itself, it's the cap. It is a little small, but if you place the cap and the combs just right, it works perfectly. The back of the wig itself is very stretchy, so you can kind of pull it up. I would start, especially if you're big head friendly, I would start in the back of the head and place that comb first and kind of pull it up and see where you can comfortably place the rest of the wig before placing your combs and then closing it with the Velcro. That was the way that I did it because it is a smaller cap. So that is my only qualm. I wish they would make these available in large cap sizes, especially for a company with such great quality hair and such great quality customer service. That is my only qualm, y'all. Other than that, baby, I'm not even, look, I love their headbands that I showed you guys earlier. I don't need to put one on. It looks so natural. It literally looks like it's coming out of my head. I'll put one on really quick just so you guys can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like with a headband. So it's still bomb, still super cute, movement on point, shine on point, natural look on point. But yeah, y'all, super cute. The headbands are actually comfortable. I was worried about the level of stretch for my big head once again, but these are pretty comfortable actually. So I haven't had any headaches. I was wearing it earlier today when I had on a different color top that actually matched, but they feel really comfortable on my head and I love this wig, y'all. Child, I'm obsessed with this wig. So let me know in those comments down below if you've ever tried My Shiny Wigs. If you have, what has been your experience with them? Y'all know I always want to hear how you've worked with these companies, what your experience has been when purchasing products from them, and what your favorite products are, any improvements that you would have for the company. I would love to hear all of that down below. Otherwise, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and make sure you subscribe, sis, because you don't want to miss any more finds like this. What? And make sure that you hit that notification bell as well so that you get notified when I post new content. I do, obviously, hair and protective style videos. I also do fragrances, I do true crime and makeup, and I also do skincare and snapped. And you don't want to miss any of that. So make sure you do all that I just told you to do, because otherwise I'm coming for you. You can't be lurking on my channel and don't think I know about it. But yeah, y'all, it's been fun. It's been real. I'm about to go enjoy this gorgeous wig. And I'll talk to y'all later. Love you guys. Bye.